Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, TradingAgents-CN, a powerful framework that uses a team of large language model agents to execute financial trading strategies. It's specifically tailored for the Chinese market, offering a fascinating glimpse into the future of automated, AI-driven investment and how these complex systems are evolving. What happens when a powerful open-source AI trading framework gets completely rebuilt for the world's second-largest economy? The result isn't just a simple translation. It's a total reimagination of how AI can tackle a unique financial market. This offers a powerful blueprint for what deep technological localization really looks like. The project is called TradingAgents-CN, from creator hsliuping. It's a platform that uses multiple large language model agents to analyze stocks, specifically tailored for the Chinese market. It's important to note, this is strictly a tool for learning and research, not for actual live trading. The interest from the developer community is undeniable. It has already racked up nearly 25,000 stars, with 193 of those added in just the last day, and it's been forked over 5,200 times. These numbers clearly show that developers and researchers are paying close attention. The core problem was that the original trading agents framework, while groundbreaking, just wasn't a good fit for China's financial ecosystem. It couldn't access local A-share stock data, didn't integrate with China's domestic large language models, and of course, had a language barrier. This meant developers in the region had to either perform a ton of custom work or build new tools from the ground up, which was incredibly time-consuming. TradingAgents-CN takes a much smarter approach. It goes way beyond a simple translation by performing a deep, infrastructural localization. It integrates the right data sources, the right AI models, and the right user interface to build a tool specifically for the Chinese fintech community. One of the project's biggest technical moves was shifting from a simple Streamlit app to a modern architecture with a separate backend and frontend. The backend is built with Fast API, and the frontend uses Vue 3. Think of it like upgrading a food truck to a full-scale restaurant with a dedicated kitchen. The Fast API backend uses asynchronous processing. This is crucial because it can handle many requests to external financial data and LLM APIs at the same time, all without slowing down. This design prevents system bottlenecks and keeps everything running fast. For the data layer, the project cleverly uses two different databases, MongoDB and Redis. MongoDB is perfect for storing the complex and varied analysis reports that the LLMs generate thanks to its flexible structure. At the same time, Redis works as a high-speed in-memory cache. It stores data that's accessed often, which makes the whole application feel much quicker. To top it all off, the entire system is packaged for Docker and supports both AMD 64 and ARM 64 architectures. This means you can get it running with a single command on almost any machine, whether it's a standard cloud server or a new Apple Silicon laptop. So, who is this for? The main users are financial students, quantitative researchers, and AI developers in the Chinese-speaking world. They use this platform to learn how multiple AI agents can analyze stocks, to test out investment strategies in a safe, simulated space, and even to study how a modern, enterprise-level web application is built. The project's excellent Docker support makes it incredibly accessible. Instead of a complicated manual setup, users can get the entire system up and running in no time. This lets them focus on their research and learning, not on deployment headaches. Now, despite all its technical strengths, the project does face some real challenges. Its licensing model is a bit mixed. The core application code is proprietary for commercial use, which can create confusion and might discourage community contributions to its most important parts. The project also has to manually sync updates from the original Trading Agents repository. This is a lot of work and could lead to technical debt down the road. On top of that, its heavy reliance on third-party data and LLM APIs makes it vulnerable. If those external services go down or their prices change, the project could be directly impacted. In the end, TradingAgents-CN is so much more than just a fork of another project. It's a masterclass in deep product localization. It shows exactly how a general-purpose open-source tool can be completely transformed to serve the unique data, language, and technology needs of a huge regional market.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.